Hi, this is Grant at Grant Palmer Photography, bringing you some more tips and tricks about photographing Burning Man and fire performers. And this one's about post-processing, and this will span a couple of episodes. When I come back from Burning Man, I have thousands of images. And how do I go through all those images and figure out which ones I want to keep and which ones I don't want to keep, and how do I do it? I use a program called Photo Mechanic. There are other similar programs available. You can also go very quickly through the Finder on your laptop, desktop. They tend to have previews. You can very quickly scroll through and figure out which ones you want to keep, which ones you don't want to keep. Those will just make the process faster. The key to culling your images is to be clear of what you want to achieve in your photographs, what your aesthetic is at the moment, and that may change, and also be open to surprises, and be able to look for the potential in those images. Okay, if an image is just completely the wrong exposure, no saving it in Photoshop, no saving it in Lightroom, delete it. It's gone. If it's out of focus, if it's out of focus in a bad way, there are ways to be out of focus slightly and still be a really powerful image, but just blown focus, gone away. It's an ugly image. It doesn't portray the performer well. Performers can get flow face, and depending on where they are in a performance, it can be an asset to the performer or it cannot be an asset to the performer. It's our job to make the performers look as good as they can. So their eyes are closed, they've got a funny look on their face, their body is at a weird angle, and it's just not aesthetically pleasing and complementary to the performer. Those ones go away and never seen again. Anyway, we'll get into some more stuff in a subsequent episode, but for now, thanks all. Drop me a comment, drop me questions, and happy to see you. See you all in the next one. Cheers.